Okay, here in chapter 2 jQuery basics function folder, I have two removeClass.html file. In this file I have here boilerplate code. Inside title, I'm gonna change the title as removeClass. Okay, removeClass function. We will demonstrate here removeClass jQuery function. Inside line 7 I have here a skip tag to load jQuery library from my folder. Inside next skip tag, look here, I have just written the code that document.ready and assigned a function, callback function right here. So when document will be fully loaded inside browser, this ready function will be called, and then in turn this callback function will get executed. Now what do I want this time is I want to have here a paragraph with a text, whatever you want, and a button there. So input type submit. The value will be this time remove class. I'm going to assign an ID to this button. So ID will be btn. And again I want to assign a predefined class, predefined CSS class to this paragraph. So let me go and define the class right here inside the style tag. So I am going to name this class as red class, and I'm going to define here two CSS properties. First one CSS property is color, having a value red, and second CSS property is font style, having value as italic. So once the class is defined inside this style tag, I'm going to assign this red class to this paragraph. So in order to assign a class to a paragraph, you have to use the class attribute of the paragraph tag and then simply write the name of the class right over there. So the class is equal to red class. Now if I run this file, I'm going to have this paragraph in my browser having two styles, CSS styles. First one is color as red and second one as font style italic. So let's check the output of this page inside browser. Okay, fine. So I have here paragraph 1 and a button remove class. Now what do I want to do afterward is, if somebody is clicking on this remove class button, the classes, CSS classes applied on this paragraph will get removed. In my case, the color, font color red and font style italic will be removed from this paragraph. So how can we do that? So in order to do that, I'm going to select this button by this btn ID inside this document.ready function. So and then assign this button a click event handler function. Inside this click event handler function, I'm gonna say select the paragraph by tag, so P, and then instead of calling add class just like in previous lecture, I'm gonna call this time remove class. So this remove class will simply remove the class mentioned here inside this parameter from this paragraph. So this paragraph has already a pre-assigned class red class. I'm gonna copy this class and pass right here. So now if somebody is clicking on this input button, submit button, then look, button click event handler function will be called and the paragraph will be selected, and remove class will simply remove a predefined class red class from this paragraph here. So let me just go ahead and refresh the page and click on this remove class button once again. Look, the red class CSS class along with CSS properties, that is color and font style, has been removed.